Well, hi everybody, welcome to the next episode of Matt Blackmick's Garage, Workshop, whatever. Quick update, the quad bike is although it's not finished, it's up and running. I've actually used it to do some mowing on the property. The main reason for this update is that I've recently acquired this. Apologies for the wind noise, which is why I'm hiding in the one of the outbuildings, but that is a 1974 GMC C25 long bed pickup. I believe it's a C25, same as a Chevy C20. It's a 3/4 ton pickup, and it's got a 350 small block Chevy V8 in it. Currently doesn't turn over, so I'm told. So first thing is to try and get this and see if the engine will actually turn over and if there's a possibility of getting it started. If not, I'm going to pull the engine and strip it down and find out what's happening with it. See, it's incredibly windy here today. So much so that I had to actually stop working on it. This truck's, my wife's named it Big Blue. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so I just thought I'd give you a quick update. Done nothing on the motorbikes recently. Or the weather, since I've gone back to work after the lockdown, the weather's been pretty atrocious really, and I've just not had a chance to get anything done. Anyway, I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.